So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create games for your employees on Zoho CRM. So for that, first of all you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now select the first website and now you have to log into your account right here and then click on this profile picture icon. Now select this Access Zoho CRM option. Now select this settings icon. Now click on this motivator option. Now select this access motivator button and you can see the game option right here. Now you just have to click on the create game button and now you have to enter your game name. You have to select your KPI and you can also select your game type, which can be individual or team, and select your users, and you can set your duration from day and time to day and time. And after that you can also add your viewers, and after filling all of these details you have to just click on this button right here called save, and your game now has been successfully created on Zoho CRM. So that's how guys you can able to create games for your employees on Zoho CRM. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more future videos. And thanks for watching.